On top of that, I'm going to bring my extendable half-inch drive ratchet and the regular flex head ratchet as well. And then on top of that, I'm going to bring the wobble extension just in case, because you never know, that may come in handy. The think 3/8 tiny extension, I think. The half-inch to 3/8 adapter, I think that was. The 1/4" to 3/8 adapter. Universal joint, I think that's. Yeah, half-inch universal joint. 3/8 universal joint. 3/8 to 1/4" universal. No, adapter, I mean. Then the wobble extension. That is a 3/8 as well. One's longer, one's shorter. So, here's everything that I didn't show you guys last time that I'm gonna take as well. So then this is to change the AC compressor on my brother's 2000 Toyota Celica GT. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab too. YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace. I'm out.